Come on, Professor.
The weatherman's right. We better go south right away.
You said it.
Winter's coming. Winter's coming.
For a swim. Hey, Pop, where's everybody going?
We're all going south. Groundhog says a terrible blizzard's coming.
Ah, go on. That guy don't know his shadow from a hole in the ground.
You'll freeze to death if you stay here.
And you won't have any food either.
Don't worry about me. I got plenty of food. And right now, I'm going swimming. Must be hard water in this lake. Blow your head off. See if I can. It's nice and warm here, and I got plenty of food. Go on and blow. Hey, come back here with my food.
I'm that hungry little kitty cat you just read about. I'm so hungry I could eat a woodpecker. Yeah, that's it.
Pardon me, buddy. That's probably the grocery man. Come in. You're just in time for dinner.
Yeah? What are you gonna have for dinner?
I'm gonna have catfish.
Yeah?
Let me take your scarf.
You know, I think that pigeon tried to choke me.
You must be pretty cold, buddy.
No, I ain't cold.
Oh, yes, you are. Step over by the fire and get warm for dinner. Oh, boy. Feline fricassee.
Now, my fine pigeon, I'm going to pick you dry. Mice. Meat. That was pretty good. But you know I'm still hungry.
Yeah? So am I.
Kellogg's Rice Krispies, snap, crackle, and pop. Snap, snap, snap with energy. Crack, crack, crackle with fun. Pop, 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 the muscles up on everyone. Kellogg's Rice Krispies, snap, crackle, and pop.
It's Woody! He needs help! Let's go!
Kellogg's Rice Krispies, snap, crackle, and pop. Snap, snap, snap with energy. Crack, crack, crackles with fun. Pop, pop, pops, the muscles up on everyone. Kellogg's Rice Krispies, snap, crackle, and pop. Snap, crackle, and pop.
Wake up! Hillbilly Goldie's a-comin', and he looks powerful hungry for Kellogg's Sugar Stars.
Thought I smelled some delicious Sugar Stars. Gives me the nervous nibbles just thinking about them crispy little star-shaped fellers.
With the crunchy caramel coat. Hold on there, Goat. On behalf of the Citizens Committee to Save the Town, I'm presenting you with this here box of Kellogg's Sugar Stars.
Why, thank you, Sheriff.
New Sugar Stars have a new caramel taste that really packs a crunch. Good for kids and hillbilly goats, human kids that is. Kellogg's brand new Sugar Stars. Of everything I eat, I like Sugar Stars best. Yep, and Sheriff Stars second best.
Look, Doc, a new kind of Kool-Aid.
Pre-sweetened Kool-Aid. Sweetened without sugar.
Yep, there's no sugar to add to pre-sweetened Kool-Aid, Doc.
But who ever heard of a wabbit on a Kool-Aid package?
It's true, Doc.
If it's true, I'll buy every package and drink every drop.
What's up, Doc?
Got any pre-sweetened Kool-Aid with wabbit on it?
Look behind you, Doc.
It's true.
And you're gonna drink every drop, remember?
Hey, pre-sweetened Kool-Aid is really easy to make. There's no sugar to add. Tastes terrific, too. But why is your picture on it, Wabbit?
Because you make this new Kool-Aid quick as a bunny. Bugs Bunny, that is. So now there are two kinds. Famous regular Kool-Aid and try new pre-sweetened Kool-Aid with me, Bugs Bunny, on the package. It's already sweetened without sugar.